The remainder of your comprehensive grade level guide is broken into the 4 modules with a module header page similar to this one. It indicates the module topic, a brief overview, required reporting topics, and general pacing guidance. Scales that follow will only include learning targets that are officially assessed throughout the module. Following this pacing guidance will enable you to cover all 4 modules this school year. Following the header page, you will find a module assessment breakdown. Each of the 7 module assessments has been broken by question tied to its reporting topic. Not every question or every standard will be represented as part of a reporting topic based on the number and type of questions used to assess that skill. Only include the information represented here in Infinite Campus. If you are following grading option 1 or 2, you will include each learning target as an individual assignment for the historical record in Infinite Campus. If you are following grading option 3, you can simply update the learning target in each topic.